So what tools are used to perform data science? For programming languages, the most popular language is SQL, or Structured Query Language. SQL is a very important language in data science because of how much time data scientists spend exploring, transforming, and cleaning data. Next, we have Python followed by R. R and Python are the two workhorses of the data science world. Most data scientists will generally use either one or the other in addition to SQL to perform the majority of all data science tasks. However, they each have their own strengths and weaknesses, so I recommend that data scientists learn both. For relational databases, we have MySQL followed by Microsoft SQL Server and then PostgreSQL. MySQL has become very popular for data science because it's a free, open source database that's easy to use, easy to maintain, and runs on a variety of operating systems. For big data platforms, we have Spark, Hive, MongoDB, and Amazon Redshift. Spark has become the big data platform of choice for data scientists in recent years because of its speed, scalability, ease of use, and open source license. To learn more, please click the link in the description. For more content like this, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.